alphabet undersea song. A, B, C, under the sea, so many creatures come swim with me. Wiggle, splash, and sing along, the ocean's where we all belong. A is for angelfish, swimming so free. B is for blue whale, as big as can be. C is for crab, scurrying around. D is for dolphin, leaping with a sound. E is for eel, slithering by. F is for flying fish, jumping up high. G is for goblin shark, with a spooky face. H is for hammerhead, zooming in a race. I is for isopod, crawling on the ground. J is for jellyfish, floating all around. K is for krill, tiny but bright. L is for lobster, snapping left and right. M is for manatee, drifting so slow. N is for nautilus, twirling as they go. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for pufferfish, puffing up, whoa. Q is for quahog, hiding in the sand. R is for ray, gliding over the land. S is for seahorse, twirling around. T is for turtle, slow but sound. U is for urchin, spiky and neat. V is for viperfish, sharp and sleek. W is for walrus, with tusks so long. X is for x-ray fish, see-through and strong.